making a rainbow-themed unicorn bookmark. It may look complicated, but it's not, I promise. It's really easy. So, pick your favourite colour. I've chosen pink. And now fold your square into a triangle, just like this. And now take the other corner and fold it into a triangle again, just like this. You see? Once it's folded into a triangle, spin it round, like this, so the triangle is upside down. And then fold that bottom point up to the top of the middle of the line. Can you see? Like this. And then take the other point and fold it into the middle. Like this. And repeat with the other side. Now it's a rectangle. Unfold that rectangle, like this. Now using the creases you have already made, fold them inwards like this. And now take this corner and fold it down like an ear, like this. And do the same again with the other side, like this. Now fold into the paper just like this. Can you see what I'm doing? If you can't keep up, pause the video, rewind and start again. You can do this as many times as you like. Practice makes perfect. Look at that, your little triangle. So now we're going to snip off the end here. Remember, when using scissors, ask your parent or guardian for permission. Kinda looks a bit like a kite. But we're going to keep snipping. Be careful, guys. I'm going to do the same again. I'm going to snip the corners off. Just like this. Brilliant work. Now, take two pieces of paper, whichever colours you'd like. And we're going to make the mane for our unicorn. So we're going to get lots of different coloured pens and colour in our white piece of paper. Like this, we've got pink and orange and yellow. Got green. These are great colours, guys. Just like a rainbow. So many different colours. This unicorn is going to look amazing. A nice blue there, sky blue, that's always a good colour. purple. Purple is one of my favourite colours. What's yours? We finish off with a nice dark blue. Look at that, whole rainbow mane. I'm going to stick it to 2 in the main part of our bookmark now. So we got a little bit of PVA glue here, but you can use glue stick as well if you like. Now, gently, we're going to snip in between all the different colours to make our mane look like it's actually made of hair. Can you see what we're doing there? Just tiny little gentle snips across the colours. Isn't that starting to look great? What do you think we're going to do next? What's missing from our unicorn? Okay, so we're going to take a tiny rectangle piece of white paper. What do you think this will turn into? And we're going to curve it with a pair of scissors like this. Be careful with those scissors. And when you open it up, what do you think you see? I think that's the ear, don't you? So we're going to quickly colour in the middle of the ear just like this. That's the inner ear. Did you see what we did there? And now with a tiny little bit of glue, we're going to stick this ear on right at the top, just like this. What's next? I think it's the unicorn horn. I've chosen sparkly gold for this one. What colour of sparkles will you choose for your unicorn horn? We just cut out a tiny little triangle just like this. And with a little bit of glue, we attach our triangle, our unicorn horn, right at the top, just below the ear. Can you see that? That looks amazing! Now all we've got left to do is draw on the eyes and the nose. You can draw the eyes any way you like. You can draw a big eye or a small nose or a big nose. You could even put googly eyes on if you really wanted to. Let's see what you can come up with. So there you have it, guys. A rainbow themed unicorn bookmark. And it just slots right on here, just like this. It's amazing. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Liam, and Liam has drawn us an aeroplane. Look at the detail and colour on that. Well done, Liam.
If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!